So why?
Did you have a question?
Yeah, I did have a question.
What's that?
So why are some of the minerals, they are shaped like squares, but others are in irregular shapes?
Yeah, okay, so that's a great question. And what you guys can observe is that some minerals have a very definite shape, right? This calcite has a very rhombohedral, it's called shape, which is a leaning cube or a leaning rectangle. This one has a square, right, cubic shape. This quartz doesn't have any shape at all, right? So what you're looking at is called cleavage. And cleavage is the tendency of minerals to break along a predefined weakened plane. So just like the salt in your salt shaker is all cubes, if I take this and I smash it on the ground, it's going to break into a whole bunch of little cubes because that's its cleavage shape. Cleavage is another physical characteristic. Quartz, on the other hand, if I smash it, it's going to break into a billion unrecognizable shapes because it doesn't have any cleavage. It has what's called fracture. So based on its crystal shape and its cleavage, you're going to have different shapes that these minerals grow into. And again, those are physical characteristics. It gets very, very complicated, and when you get into higher level geology courses, you can tell the difference between super similar minerals based on very small changes in crystal shape. This class isn't really going to delve into that as much as we're going to look at very common minerals with very obvious physical characteristics.
Okay.
Did that answer your question?
It did, yes.